The enigma of zebras, more than just stripes. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. When I say the word zebra, what's the first image that pops into your mind? Most likely, it's those iconic black and white stripes, right? And you'd be absolutely right. Those stripes are truly striking. But today, I want to invite you on a journey to look beyond the obvious and discover why zebras are so much more than just a pretty pattern. For the next 15 minutes, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of zebras, exploring their unique characteristics, incredible adaptations, and the surprising complexities of their lives. Forget everything you think you know about these magnificent animals, because we're about to uncover some truly amazing facts that will, hopefully, leave you with a newfound appreciation for them. Did you know, for instance, that a zebra's stripes are as unique as a human fingerprint? No two zebras have the exact same pattern. The million-dollar question: why the stripes? Let's start with the most obvious and perhaps most puzzling feature: the stripes. For centuries, scientists have debated the exact purpose of these distinctive patterns. Is it camouflage? Is it a way to confuse predators? Or is it something else entirely? For a long time, the prevailing theory was camouflage. Imagine a herd of zebras on the open plains. From a distance, their stripes might blur together, making it incredibly difficult for a lion or hyena to single out an individual. This is known as disruptive coloration. It makes it harder for a predator to distinguish one animal from another, especially when they're moving in a chaotic pattern.
However, recent research has thrown a new, incredibly intriguing theory into the mix: insect deterrence. Studies have shown that biting flies like horseflies and tsetse flies have a much harder time landing on striped surfaces. It's thought that the stripes disrupt the visual system of these insects, making them misjudge their landing. This is a huge advantage for zebras, as these flies can carry diseases like trypanosomiasis, which can be deadly. So their natural fashion statement might actually be a very effective form of insect repellent. Another theory, though less widely supported, is thermoregulation. Some scientists believe the black stripes absorb more heat, creating convection currents that help cool the zebra while the white stripes reflect heat. This is still being investigated, but it adds yet another layer to the mystery of these incredible patterns. So, while we don't have one single definitive answer, it's likely a combination of these factors, demonstrating just how incredibly versatile and multifunctional nature's designs can be. Social animals with complex lives. Beyond their dazzling coats, zebras are incredibly social animals. They live in herds, and these herds are not just random gatherings. They have surprisingly complex social structures. There are three main species of zebra: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the grevy's zebra. While they all share those iconic stripes, their social structures differ slightly, each adapted to their specific environment. Plains zebras, for example, often live in stable family groups called harems. These harems typically consist of one stallion, several mares, and their foals. This family unit is incredibly strong, and the mares often stay together for their entire lives. The stallion's job is to protect his harem fiercely from predators and rival stallions, acting as a vigilant guardian. Gravy zebras, on the other hand, have a more fluid social structure. Stallions are territorial, establishing large territories that they defend. Mares and their young move freely between these territories, often choosing the stallion, whose territory offers the best resources like water and grazing. This adaptability helps them survive in the drier, more arid environments they inhabit. This social complexity allows them to protect each other. A large herd offers safety in numbers, When a predator approaches, the zebras will often stand together, facing the threat as a unified front, making it much harder for the predator to pick out a weak individual. They also communicate through a variety of calls and body language, constantly alerting each other to danger. It's a true team effort for survival. Survival adaptations built for the wild zebras are truly built for survival on the challenging African plains. Let's look at some of their remarkable adaptations. First, their powerful legs and incredible speed. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. That's about 40 miles per hour. This burst of speed is absolutely crucial for escaping top predators like lions and cheetahs, often giving them just enough time to get away. Their strong teeth are perfectly adapted for grazing on the tough grasses that dominate their diet. They spend a significant portion of their day foraging, constantly on the move to find the best pastures. Their digestive system, like other herbivores, is also uniquely designed with a large cecum that helps them break down this tough plant material, extracting as much nutrition as possible. And of course, their hearing and eyesight are exceptional. They have excellent peripheral vision, allowing them to spot predators from a distance, and their ears can rotate independently, pinpointing the exact direction of sounds. This constant vigilance is absolutely key to their survival in such a challenging environment. The future of zebras, conservation challenges. Despite their remarkable adaptations, zebras face significant challenges in the wild. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, expanding agriculture, and urban development is a major threat. As their grazing lands shrink, so do their populations, limiting their access to vital resources. Poaching for their meat and skins also remains a concern in some areas, although dedicated conservation efforts have helped reduce this in many regions. Climate change is another emerging threat, impacting water sources and vegetation patterns. This can lead to increased competition for dwindling resources, especially during prolonged droughts.
The good news is that conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect zebra populations. This includes establishing and managing protected areas and national parks, implementing anti-poaching patrols to safeguard the animals, and engaging in vital community outreach programs to promote sustainable land use. Educating local communities about the importance of wildlife conservation is crucial for long-term success, as it fosters a sense of shared responsibility. Thanks to these efforts, some zebra populations, particularly the plains zebra, are relatively stable. However, the Grevy's zebra and mountain zebra are still listed as endangered or vulnerable, highlighting the ongoing and urgent need for continued conservation action. Beyond the stripes, a symbol of the wild. So, as we come to the end of our journey, I hope you now see zebras as so much more than just their stripes. They are complex, resilient, and incredibly fascinating creatures. Their stripes are a marvel of evolution. Their social lives are intricate, and their adaptations are truly remarkable, allowing them to thrive in harsh environments. They are a vital part of the African ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of grasslands by grazing and dispersing seeds. They are also a powerful symbol of the wild, reminding us of the incredible biodiversity that exists on our planet. The next time you see a picture or a video of a zebra, I hope you'll remember the incredible story behind those stripes. A story of survival, adaptation, and the enduring beauty of the natural world. Let's all do our part to ensure that these magnificent animals continue to roam the African plains for generations to come. Thank you. Are there any questions?